Let's imagine that you have an incredibly long list and you want an easy way to check if any duplicates occur without having to scroll through the entire list. One of the best ways to do this is by listing all duplicate values in a different column. This can be done using the filter and COUNTIF functions. Simply write equals filter and within the parentheses, choose the range you want to filter from. Then we'll define the criteria we want to filter based upon, or in other words, when this criteria is true, that value will be included in the filtered list. We'll write COUNTIF and select the same range and again define the same range as the criterion. By doing this, the COUNTIF function will count all recurring values. Finally, by setting the criterion for the filter function to only be true when the COUNTIF function is greater than 1, it will only filter values that occur more than once. If you found this video helpful, please help me help someone else by giving it a like or even sharing it if you know someone personally who could benefit from it. Thanks for watching.